Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. Today we are going to show you how to pixelate a moving object with AI. First, upload the video into AVC Labs Video Blur AI. In this video, we choose to pixelate the face of a single person, so we choose Assign Faces. In order to save time, here we choose Quick Scan and wait for the scan to complete. Then select the face you want to pixelate and click OK. On the left, you can choose the blur type, mosaic or blur. This time, we select the mosaic and click Add to List. Here you can preview the mosaic effect. If you are satisfied, just click Export. Now the video starts to process. The whole process is very simple and fast. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.